Good morning guys! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Mukdahan Bus Terminal because for today's video we're going to travel. So nakakuha na ako ng 5 ticket dahil I will be traveling with my friends by land travel. Okay? So nandiyan na po yung sasakyan sa likod ko kung makikita ninyo. So yung ticket po natin is 50 baht each person. So, see yung mga Labidaps. Here we go guys. I'm already inside the bus going to Sabanacat with my sister here. And with my friends there at the back. So, see you. Lao. Then after nating dumaan guys sa immigration dito sa Mukdahan ay sasakay ulit tayo ng bus. The same bus kung hindi pa siya puno, going to Sabanacat lang, okay? Okay, welcome back guys. So, ito na, nakakuha na tayo ng ticket going to our destination. So, ito po, 600 baht po, pero in kip is around 800,000 kip. So, yung trip po namin is around 8 o'clock in the morning. Today is Sunday, so meron po sila dito na mga time if you want to travel, so please check it out. Magandang hapon po sa lahat, no? So nandito na po tayo sa loob ng bus going to Vietnam. Nakaapak na nga tayo sa Vietnam. So may isasabihin lang ako sa inyo guys na kunting parang kapalpakan na nakakatawa, in which galing po sa Sabanacat. Nagkuha po kami ng ticket doon and then our plan is to go in Da Nang. Pero huli na namin na-realize na yung ticket namin nakuha ay going to, ano ba basahin yun? HUE, parang po kung sa English, pero sa kanila they will pronounce it as he. So yun na nga. So mabuti na lang at yung hotel namin sa Da Nang will be tomorrow. So yung gagawin namin, we will be staying first here in another city, so to explore another city. So kasama ko ngayon dito yung mga ka-travel buddies ko. So yan to sila, in which they are very busy watching outside because it's very nice. The scenery is very nice. It's a mountain. So ang ganda siya tingnan guys. I will show you later on. So, yan siya, talikod. So, konti lang po yung laman ng bus. So, we travel by land because you can save a lot of something like your savings. Kahit medyo malayo siya, nakakapagod, pero it's okay kasi busog naman yung mata mo sa mga makikita mo mga scenery outside. So, yun na nga. So, dumaan kami ng Lao and then Vietnam from Thailand. So yan guys, so see you sa mga places na pupuntahan natin. At ito lang po guys, another suggestion if you are traveling through land, so much better na magdala kayo ng pagkain because just like us, nagsabi kami na bibili kami ng pagkain doon sa border, pero it's hard kasi hinahabol namin yung time. So sa susunod sa mga, if you want to travel, much better na bumili kayo ng just like mga biscuits, bumili na agad in advance kasi just like us, wala pa kaming breakfast, wala pang lunch, it's already time check, it's already 2 o'clock sharp. So ayun, so medyo sumasakit na yung sikmura ko siguro sa kasama ko din, but okay, i-enjoy na lang natin, di ba? So wala na tayong magagawa, nandito na tayo and then let's fight for it. Good morning, this is our first day here in Vietnam and ito po yung unang kain namin dito ng Vietnamese food. So it tastes delicious. Beef po siya na may itlog and then kung may atsara din at saka ito. So paano mo kakainin? Kaya mga kasama ko si Kuya Belgian. Ito with bread. How to eat? Sausaw daw dyan. Tapos kakainin. Ayan. So, sana all may partner na kasama. Then, ito naman, may kasama dito. Say hi!
Yo, masuk mo, Lina!
Yan. So sa barangay po namin, marami po masarap po talaga dito yung place na to. Kasi marami, or mga foods nila rather. Kasi marami talaga sa mga. Then maraming din naghihintay sa labas. Hello guys, we are still in Hue, Vietnam. We're in, nakakita kami dito ng Jollibee. We're so excited! At ito na yung mga kasamahan ko, si Kuya Will John, si Nang An, yung sister ko si Faith, and si Shay.
Jollibee lang talaga ang pinunta na sa Vietnam.
Ayan, so Jollibee lang daw talaga yung pinunta nila dito. So let's go! Samahan nyo kaming kumain sa paborito naming kainan sa Pilipinas! Here we go! Ayan! And then, here. We're here in, I don't know how to read this. Basta, nababasa ko yung Jollibee. Okay guys. So let us eat together. Namiss ko to. Ayan, excited yung mga kasamaan ko. After namin maglakad ng kalayo-layo kasi inikot namin yung city. And then after we will eat here, we will go to Da Nang, Vietnam. So here we go guys.
Welcome to Jollibee.
Yan. Welcome to Jollibee.
Daming tao siya.
Yun lang ang daming tao. Yan. Iwan ko lang kung may makainan tayo. Hello guys, please take a look with the happening right now. They don't know how to change because they cannot familiarize the money. They are millionaire here. Okay? So, ayan. Oh, may utang pa rin daw.
Problemado sila guys.
Oh, wow! 500,000 mayaman.
Hindi yan
May 500.
Pinakababa yan daw.
Ay, 50 ba? Ay, 500. O, see? 500,000. Aba? Ang yaman nila dito, mga millionaires. Yan, mga milyonaryo to. Yung mga kasama ko, mga milyonaryo. Then, nag-Jollibee kami dito. Akalain mo, yung price ng Jollibee namin, ilan yun? Isang tao pa lang to, 2 tao. Ilan ba? Kaya kung gusto mong yumaman, maging milyonaryo, punta ka dito. One day millionaire. Yan, di pa rin sila tapos sa pag-change. Ganun yan kahirap ang pera nila. At ito na nga guys, nakuha na namin yung, or naka-order na kami ng Jollibee here in, ano ba to? Jollibee Vietcong. Pero, nakakamiss kumain ng Jollibee. Pero lalo na kung ang tagal mong hindi kumain. Nung umuwi ako ng Pinas, di ako kumain nito eh. So kaya, dito tayo kakain ng, or tingnan natin kung parehas pa talaga yung lasa sa Pinas. Jollibee, here we go! Hello guys, this was our second day in Vietnam wherein we first explored the My Son Sanctuary located in Hoi An, Vietnam, and then we went to the Military Zone 5 Museum located in Da Nang, Vietnam, wherein we can see here the different equipments being used by the Vietnamese people during their war with the Americans. Okay, here we go guys. We are inside the cable car. We're in. This is the longest cable car in the world. So I am with my friends, my travel buddies. So here we go. By the way guys, this was our third day of adventure here in Vietnam. 4th day here in Da Nang, Vietnam. We start exploring the Marble Mountain, wherein it's very hot here. So make sure to bring your own umbrella with you as well as a bottle of water. So we're in here, you can see a different eye-catching caves. And then after that, we went directly to Non Ngoc Beach in Da Nang, Vietnam, wherein this is one of the best beach here in Da Nang. So it's also safe because there's someone watching you there, and it's all free here to swim for everyone. Maganda sana guys, no, kung may kasama tayo ditong nag-slow mo sa gilid ng beach. Please, magpakita ka na, magparamdam ka na, hinihintay na kita, joke lang. And for our last day of staying here in Da Nang, we went to the Cathedral Saint Denis or Da Nang Cathedral. And then after that, we went directly to Khon Market to buy some souvenirs. It's very cheap here, guys. You know what? If you wanna plan to buy some wholesale, you can go here. And because it's already night, we don't miss to go here to witness the Dragon Bridge, wherein this is located in the city center of Da Nang, wherein during weekends, may apoy po ito, bumubuga po ng apoy. And here we go, guys. For your travel references and guide, you can watch this one if you wanna travel in different destinations. Here we go. Okay, so please don't forget to take note. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Mr. Jeff. See you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our section button.